other thing we talked about is, you're probably going to have to move forward so you're not right by all the barking. Is we're going to get him heeling and downing. Sorry about the little background noise over there. So what we were working on that day was the same thing, that we don't want the leash made tight, and I am going to tell him no if he starts biting on the leash like that, because I'll tell you guys at home, he started biting the leash, playing tug-of-war. Still my pager right there on the turn. We'll have him heeling on the left side, but at this point we won't. Oh, he is a good little guy, this one. So I'm cueing him with the pager to turn, not with the leash. The leash goes tight. I'm controlling my leash. Now if he wants to go ahead, I'm letting him do that. Pretty quickly. Again, for everybody at home, this dog is 8 years old, so, you know, we are going to go ahead and get that down started maybe by the end of the week. Yep. So you'll have a heel, and then you will just go straight into a down. There won't be any sit or anything. We'll use that to kind of diffuse his behavior. We purposely have the other dogs out just, you know, because he's got to get used to that. All right, guys, we'll be right back with the recall.